Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's go over the dance with the steps. Weights on our left foot, leaving our right foot completely free. We are going to kick out with our right, and then we're going to point out to the side with our left. So it's going to be a kick and point, kick and point. Heel and point, point. And heel and point, point. We're going to do a cross side heel jack. So we're going to cross our left over our right, go to the side, and heel jack out with our foot. We're going to bring our foot in, and we're going to do bring our left foot in and cross with our right, and go back and heel jack out with our back. We're going to swivel back with our left, swivel back with our right, coaster step, ending with our weight on our right foot. Triple, triple. Now our weight's on our right foot. We're going to step out on our left, out a diagonal, out on our right with a diagonal, back on our left, and right with a touch. This is going to leave us ready to use our right foot, and we're going to do paddle turns for 3/4, ending up on that wall. So we're going to do a paddle, 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 touch. Ending with a touch so that our right foot's free to start the dance over again on our new wall. Kick and point, heel and point, point. Starting the dance over again on our new wall. And those are the steps to the dance. Let's go over the counts in the dance. Weights on our left foot, leaving our right foot free. We're going to kick out 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the dance starts over again on your new wall. This dance has a restart. It happens after you dance the first 16 counts on wall 3. Wall 3 is going to be your 6 o'clock wall, so if my 12 o'clock wall was here, my 6 o'clock wall would be here. And that's where you're going to dance the first 16 counts and then restart it. You'll definitely hear the restart in the music, so I hope you enjoy this dance. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.